Okay, folks, the first in the original Craft Elk Rider is making his attempt at the jump today. And here we go. That looks pretty good. Not bad. Okay. Elk looks pretty calm and cool out there riding around, folks. He's getting lined up for his next jump. And that Honda seems to be running very well today. We're seeing how well he's balancing this. Rolling pretty good here. Let's get around to the side. He looks good out there, folks. He's using the springboard ramp again. This is a Honda. Oh, God, don't do that. Yikes, that's the hardest trick. Still going. Amazing with the shock absorbers on that bike. He's going to try it again, folks, and let's see how this goes. Oh, wow. Oh, ow. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, whoa, jeez. Maybe he should have tried that last one. It's Captain Joe.
Captain Joe!
Yes, sir. Maritime man right here, boy. Again, folks, these are just short clips of our 2 days of fun. Both of us will probably make individual videos of the full flights in the future, so please stay tuned. Here we go. We're going to do a little radar test here, and Joe's going to show us how fast this Habu can do. "106.
All right!
Hey, that was pretty nice, man. So what do we got here?
This is the Blade 250 CFX.
Oh, look at that. You have been practicing, man. Right on.
Just a little bit here and there.
Yeah, that's good. Not a good place, no.
Helicopters don't like trees.
I own this one over here. Joe's gonna fly
The
the
Magnum.
Magnum, the cartoon plane.
Wile E. Coyote.
Wile E. Coyote.
Super genius.
Yes. They think you're a hawk or something.
Oh, I have no power.
Oh. Man, rock and roll.
Wow.
Hey, quit. Never mind the loop.
No.
This FMS Super Cub. It's got flaps. It's got reverse. All right, let's see. Do I need the flaps? No, probably not.
Just like that.
Okay.
Here we go.
Enjoy. Yeah, it comes with lights and reverse. Don't hit the reverse switch in the air.
No.
It's not.
That would probably be like
That's on page 6 too.
terrestrial.
I mean, you know. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. That was nice.
Oh, I'm glad you liked
Very
that, Joe.
nice.
Yeah, it's a fun plane for sure.
I'm gonna have to get one of these.
Yeah. All right, let's drop it in.
Nice.
Fool. Hey, that's a nice looking machine you got there, buddy. That's
Well, I know the guy who has another one like it.
Yeah? Is that it? There's no pilot. I'm going to put one in. Barbie. No, not ever. Got it. Okay, let me have it. You know, it comes with the speed controller and everything, and all you have to do is add a satellite.
Oh,
Just a satellite. No gears anywhere. So got a brushless
wow, that is
motor on the tail.
okay. That is dinky.
If you want to try it.
No. I appreciate the offer, but
Where it's at. Gear up. With my luck, see, now when I'd throw the switch to land, they wouldn't come down. Or one would come down.
Get a whole bunch of carpet.
I did.
Got them out of people's houses and tearing out.
Yeah.
I do got some carpet on my carpet in my garage with it. On my garage floor.
So typical, it's what happens. I mean, you know, good job though.
It's the sticky grass.
Good job. Good job.
That's what my Yukis did every time they'd land.
Yeah. You gotta reinforce that rudder. Oh, I read that. You need to.
I was gonna say, you gotta have that on
That's
there.
over there on
Aren't
page
paying any
6.
attention at all.
Well, I was seeing that little red thing sitting down and wondering, golly, he's got anything. Maybe it don't need nothing
I
on the
don't know.
spark
It's
plug.
diesel. This is.
It's diesel. Yeah, okay. Still needs some.
Here, you want to take it?
All right.
See it? No looping.
But I mean, aren't I technically doing a sideways?
That's nice. Keep the nose forward. There you go. As soon as you touch down, shut off.
That's cool. I like this thing. flying gutter spout. Oh,
I misjudged that.
though that wind is tricky. Crop dust.
Well, just stay low. Stay low.
Wow, the wind is taking me out there.
Yeah, it's a crosswind. You're coming into it right now.
Oh,
59.
and that's the last of the
Wow. Well, we sure got a lot done in 2 days, and to tell you the truth, I really needed that, as it was really a blast. Thank you so much, Joe, for coming and being such a good flying partner. Thanks also to Charles Klein for his support. Remember to comment to tell me or Joe which plane you'd like to see fly in the next episode in its full length with more detail, and thanks so much for watching. Make sure to see Joe Cserna on his channel for more fun, especially the dogs. I'll place a link in the comment and also in the video notes. So this is Dave, the Night Flyer, signing off till the next episode.